Let's create some fuzzy tennis ball nails. If you want more detailed instructions and product listings and links, they're in the blog. But we're gonna do 2 coats of Pickleballer, curing between the coats. I was working on a clear tip. If you're working over a white base or a white tip, you probably just need 1 coat. We're gonna go in with our detailer brush and bluey white and create our white tennis ball seams. Once you have them looking how you want, go ahead and cure them. Once that's exactly how you want it, cure, and then go on top with KOKOIST Velvet Matte Top Gel. Since it's a no wipe, we don't have to do anything. We will go in with our pointed brush and accessory bond. And this is the Kryolan blocking powder that I put in its own little squeezy bottle. And I'm just gonna go and cover the yellow areas of the nail with the accessory bond. It's super important. You don't want to cover the seam lines because that's the whole point, is a tennis ball nail. It needs the seams. Once that's placed, do not cure it. The flocking powder needs something to stick to. So on the wet layer, we are going to go in and shake that flocking powder all over the nail. And then we're not going to touch it. We're going to stick it in the lamp and let it cure. Once it's cured, wipe away the excess. I'm just using a little makeup brush to do that. And you've got a super fun, fuzzy, funky tennis ball nail that we just love. Pun intended. Get it? Once again, all information is linked in the blog, which you can find at rachelmessick.com. Here's a little discount code for KOKOIST. Thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I hope to see you again next time.